welcome to my $1,000,000 recipe kitchen. Today's recipe, chicken stew. For this recipe we need 100 grams of with bone or without bone chicken cut into small pieces, half tsp ginger paste, 4 to 5 cloves of garlic, half inch cinnamon stick, 1 or 2 bay leaves, 2 or 3 pieces of cloves, black pepper powder, half tsp, whole white pepper, 1/4 tsp, butter, 1 tsp. Vegetables we need for this recipe: carrot, beans, papaya, onion, as required for 2 persons. So let's start cooking today's simple and easy yet tasty healthy homemade chicken stew. About 20 minutes, pressure cook all the ingredients on medium flame. Adding 240 ml water. Adding salt 1 tsp as per taste. About 20 minutes, let it cook on medium flame. Put off flame, give rest for 5 minutes. Ready to serve chicken stew. Healthy and tasty homemade chicken stew is ready to serve. Please like, share and subscribe. Thanks all for watching.